Big news! The DV Lottery 2027 is finally here, and this year things are very different. From a new $1 fee and passport rule to updated country eligibility and even new submission requirements, you can't afford to make a single mistake. In this video, I will break down everything you need to know about the DV Lottery 2027, how to apply correctly, the new rules, common mistakes to avoid, and tips that will increase your chances of winning a green card in 2027. So stay until the end because this year update is not like the previous one. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Abdihakim Abdilatif. On this channel, I help you stay informed about business, technology, opportunities, and tips to achieve your dreams. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. For those who don't know, the Diversity Visa Lottery (DV Lottery) is a US government program that gives 55,000 people from eligible countries the chances to get a green card every year. It's a completely free to enter, and if you are selected, you and your family can live, work, and study permanently in the United States of America. Starting in 2025, applicants will be charged $1 electronic registration fee to enter the lottery. In addition, lottery winners will need to pay $330 fee to apply for the diversity visa. But in 2027, things have changed. Let's go through the major updates for the 2027 DV lottery. $1 passport requirement update. Previously, you need a valid passport to enter. This year, some applicants might be allowed to use digital passport submission and pay $1 verification fee to confirm authenticity. This to reduce fake entries and fraud cases. Number 2, new photo specifications. Your photo must be new, taken with the last 6 months, and must follow official guidelines like plain background, no glasses, and full face visible. Number 3, country eligibility changes. This year, several countries are excluded due to the high US immigration numbers in the last 5 years. For example, countries like Nigeria, Bangladesh, and India remain ineligible. However, new smaller countries have been added back to the eligible list. Check the official State Department website for the full updated list. Number 4, application window. The application period usually opens in early October 2025 and runs for about 1 month. Don't wait until the last day. Website traffic gets greasy near the deadline. Number 5, only one entry per person. If you submit more than once, your application will be disqualified automatically. Let's talk about advantages. You get a green card, permanent residency in the US. You can work, study, or start business freely. You can bring your spouse and children under 21. You're eligible to apply for US citizenship after 5 years. It is truly one of the easiest and most affordable ways to get legally immigrate to the US. However, there are also challenges you should know about. It is lottery, meaning it is based on random selection. You must meet education or work experience requirements. The process after selection, visa interviews, medicals, and travel can take some time and money. Many scammers create fake websites. Remember, the official site is dvprogram.state.gov. Here are my pro tips to increase your chances. Apply early, not on the last day. Use recent passport photo that meets all the requirements. Double check your spelling, date of birth, and email address. Errors can disqualify you. Don't pay anyone to apply for you unless you absolutely trust them. After submitting your confirmation number, without it, you can't check results. In 2027, countries ineligible due to the high immigration to the US include Bangladesh, Brazil, Canada, China, Colombia, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, India, Jamaica, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, South Korea, United Kingdom, and Vietnam. If you are from one of these countries, don't worry, you might still qualify if your spouse or parents are from an eligible country. Here is how to apply correctly. Go to the dvprogram.state.gov. Click on Begin Entry. Fill out your details: name, date of birth, gender, place of birth, country of eligibility. Upload your passport photo. Add spouse and children if applicable. Review everything carefully and pay $1 verification fee. Submit and save your confirmation number. That's it. It is 100% free. No payment required unless $1 verification fee. Results are usually announced in May 2026. You will check your result on the same website using your confirmation number. If you are selected, congratulations. Follow instructions carefully to complete DS 260 form. Schedule your interview and prepare for your medical exam. So that's everything about the DV Lottery 2027, from new passport updates to eligibility changes and how to apply correctly. Don't forget, this year's rules are very different, so watch this video again before you apply to make sure you do everything right. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more updated immigration visas and life in the US. Thank you for watching and good luck to everyone applying for the DV Lottery 2027.